Our market is flooded with detailing brushes, so which one should you choose to ensure it really works? Work Stuff brushes are 100% made in Poland and feature a fully filled handle, giving them perfect balance. Let's start with the Ultra Soft. It stands out with its wooden handle and ultra-gentle bristles, perfect for dusting air vents, screens, and other hard-to-reach areas. The ALBINO brush is also very soft but can safely be used with cleaning chemicals on piano black surfaces, leather, or plastics without worrying about scratches. Next is the Detailing Brush Gray, featuring fern. Gray bristles ideal for reaching tight spots and working with cleaners on parts like the dashboard, wheels, or door sills. Now we move to more aggressive brushes. First, the Detailing Brush Classic. Great for interiors like door sills, armrests, and other plastic components. Similar to the Classic, the Detailing Brush Short uses the same bristles but in a shorter form, making it stiffer and more effective for tougher grime. Finally, the Detailing Brush Black, the most aggressive and stiffest of them all. It's designed strictly for hard surfaces like floor mats, pedals, and sills. Not sure which detailing brush to choose for your car? We hope now you've got it figured out. If you want to explore our full brush lineup, check the description and head over to our official website.